All right, now we're going to take a look at the math. So you have subtraction and addition, 3-digit on one page, and then we have some quick little things on another page. So I want to talk about exchanging place value because we haven't done it in a while. If you look at A, we have 507 minus 294. And when we look at it right away, because we know that we need to start with the ones place, we say, well, I can subtract 7 minus 4, and we can. We know that 7 ones minus 4 ones is 3 ones. So we can go ahead and deal with that if we want to. And then we can look at 500 and 290 and think about those separately if we want, like so, because we've already done the 7 minus 4. Or we can think about the problem as a whole and think about all of our problems. I'd go ahead and just look at the 500 minus 290 personally. So I'm going to draw out 500. All right, so I draw out 500s. And I know from that 500, I need to take away 290. Well, the first thing I'm going to ask myself is, do I have any tens? And the answer to that is no. So I need to exchange one of these hundreds for 10 tens. All right, so I still have 500, but this time I made it with 400s and 10 tens. So now I'm going to go back to my problem, 500 minus 290. And I have 500, or I can start, I know that my zeros are already good. So we're kind of doing like 50 minus 29. Not really, we're doing 500 minus 290, but since we've already taken care of our ones place, we can kind of look at it as 50 minus 29. And I will go ahead and take away the 200, because I know I need to take away 200. So I X'd out 200. So that leaves me with 200 more. So I know my hundreds are going to be 200s. And now I have 10 tens, and I'm going to take 9 of those away, which is only going to leave me with 1. 10 minus 9 equals 1. All right, 500 minus 200. Well, actually, this 500 became 400 because we had to exchange one of our hundreds for 10 tens. So now I have 21 or 210. So my answer, because I already took care of the numbers in my ones place, is going to be 213. Strongly suggest drawing the picture. The picture is going to help you the most. All right, so let's look at B. 483 minus 127. I'm going to go ahead and draw 400. So I need 400 pieces, 8 tens, and 3 ones. So that's what I drew right here, 483. From that, I'm taking away 127. Well, I know I want to start with my ones place. So I'm going to go to my ones and I'm going to ask myself, can I take 3 ones? Can I take 7 ones from 3 ones? And the answer to that is absolutely not. So I have to go to the next place value and exchange. So I need to take a 10. So I'm going to mark out a 10 and I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. So I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. So I took away a 10, added 10 ones. So now I have 13 ones and 7 tens. Alexa, stop. 13 ones and 7 tens. So I'm going to ask myself, can I do 13 minus 7? And I can. So I'm going to take away 7 ones, which leaves me with 6 ones. I have 7 tens, and I need to take away 2 tens, and I can do that also. So now I'm left with 5 tens, and I have 400, and I need to take away 100, which I can do, and I'm left with 300. So once I do my exchange, I'm left with an answer of 356. All right, so that's what you're going to do for all these problems, and then you have 2 word problems. They're both going to be subtraction. All right, so don't overthink it. Your addition should be fairly easy. Hang on, let me grab a paper towel. erase this and look at the addition. Because even though you won't be exchanging with this addition, you are going to have to be doing some